Hey, so I just wanted to show you how to import your data from Podio into InfoLobby, of course. Now, assuming you have a Podio app with items and data and you want to bring that over, the first thing you're going to need is an API key in Podio. So go to your account settings, and from your account settings, select the API keys tab. And then you first need to give your API key a name. So I'm just going to call it InfoLobby. And then for a from domain, you give it infolobby.com. Then you click on Generate API Key. And once that's generated, you'll see a client ID and a client secret, and you're going to need those two shortly. So now let's go back to InfoLobby, and from the main menu, select Integrations. Then you will click on Add Integration, and you shall choose the OAuth 2 Service API, because Podio is just an OAuth 2 service, and you can connect any of them. Whoops, let me go back there. Integrations, Add Integration, OAuth 2 Service API. We'll give it a connection name. I'll just call it Podio. For the client ID, we'll go back to Podio and copy that. And for the client secret, we'll go back to Podio and copy the secret from here and just paste it in. Now, don't worry about all these other fields. It's not complicated. It's required, but not complicated. If you go to the help manual, and then from the help manual, you go to import from Podio, all the URLs you need are provided right here. So your authorize URL, we'll just copy that one in. Authorize. Then you have your access token URL. We'll copy that one. Access token URL and resource owner URL. And we'll copy that one across. Then we shall click on Authenticate. And a pop-up will come up. You click Grant Access. And then you should get an OAuth successful little pop-up. You click OK. And then finally, you just click Save. And now you have Podio connected to your InfoLobby account. Now that we have Podio connected to InfoLobby, let's import some data. When you create a new table, either via the Add Table on an empty workspace or from the drop-down menu, you should now see an option to import from Podio. So let's select that. And then you can pick your organization from Podio. Then you pick your workspace, and then you pick your app. Now you need to import your apps in order so that relationships have something to go to. For example, I really wanted to bring over projects, but projects link to customers, so I have to bring in customers first. You also get the option whether or not you want to follow the records right away. I don't want to in this case. Click on Import. And then we wait for the import to finish. Didn't take long. And here are all the customers, as we had in Podio, are now in InfoLobby. Now let's bring the projects across. Again, we'll go add a new table, import from Podio, select the organization, select the workspace, select the app. Now, because we have a relationship field in Podio that looks at customers, we now have to map that to a lookup field here in InfoLobby. But we've already brought across our customers, so we can just link directly to it. So now any customer that was linked in Podio will be linked in InfoLobby too. Click on Import. And there we go. Here are our projects from Podio now in InfoLobby, and they are all linked to the correct customer. For example, here. And this way you just bring across one at a time all your apps from Podio into InfoLobby until you're done.